Welcome. If you want to let anyone with a link view and comment on a Google Drive file, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to make your file accessible for comments, even to people who don't have a Google account. Let's get started. First, open your Google Drive and locate the file you want to share. Once you've found it, look to the right of the file's name and tap the three dots. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, tap on Manage Access. This section is where you control who can see and interact with your file. Next, look for the General Access option and tap on it. By default, your file is usually set to Restricted, which means only specific people you add can access it. We're going to change this. Tap on the setting that says Anyone with the link. This will allow anyone who has the link to your file to access it, no sign-in required. Now you'll see a drop-down menu next to Anyone with the link. Tap this menu and select Commenter. This permission level lets people leave comments and suggestions, but they won't be able to edit the actual file. After you've selected Commenter, don't forget to copy the sharing link. You can now send this link to anyone. When they open it, they'll be able to view your file and leave comments, making collaboration easy and accessible for everyone, even if they don't have a Google account. This method is perfect for gathering feedback, suggestions, or questions from a broader audience. It's also a safe way to keep your file secure from unwanted edits while still encouraging participation. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you can open up your Google Drive file for comments from anyone with the link. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.